found the piece overwhelming.
This artwork really uses music to express emotion, and I think that's something that appeals to a universal audience. Everybody can understand that. Everybody can feel the effects of music.
When I first came in, I actually thought that the people were inside of the installation and singing.
I felt like they were in the room.
Each screen has an individual musician playing the same song over and over again. And through that, you can really feel the emotion of the artwork.
You have to stand in different locations to get the full experience, and you have to turn around.
Being able to walk up to each screen and really get to hear everyone's strums and beats.
It's like wearing the best set of headphones you can imagine.
All the different musicians were clearly very connected to each other, even though they weren't in the same space.
For me, it's a very innovative way to tell a story.
The mansion is old and the rooms are old, but the music is new. I like the contrast between the new and the old.
It does feel intimate, especially how the people are dressed.
People find it really touching and emotional. They can really connect to the artwork.
You become part of the art. When you leave the room, the art leaves the room.